Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
So now let's start with our textual exercises of lesson number 2, that is nouns singular and plural. Our first exercise is exercise A. Complete the table using the singular or plural form of the noun. टेबल में दिए गए शब्दों को आपको सिंगुलर या प्लूरल बनाना है. अगर सिंगुलर वर्ड है तो प्लूरल बनाइए और अगर प्लूरल वर्ड है तो सिंगुलर बनाइए. फर्स्ट, ब्रश. The plural will be brushes. BRUSHES. Second, match. Plural will be MATCHES. Matches.
You have 10 minutes to solve rest of the exercise. Let's continue.
Third, singular answer mouse, mouse. Mice. Fourth, dwarf. Plural will be dwarves. Fifth, singular will be drawer, drawer. Drawers. Sixth, dress. Plural will be dresses. dresses. Sixth, singular hoof, hoof, whose. Seventh, wife. Plural answer wives. Ninth, nice, nices, nieces. Niece, nieces, nieces. Tenth, singular will be lily, 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 lilies. Now let's start exercise B. Rewrite the sentences by changing underlined nouns into their plural form. Make other necessary changes. जिन शब्दों पर यानी जिन वर्ड्स पर अंडरलाइन की हुई है उन्हें प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करके सेंटेंस दोबारा लिखें. ध्यान रखें सिर्फ अंडरलाइन वाला वर्ड चेंज करना है और फिर पूरा सेंटेंस सेम. फर्स्ट, द चाइल्ड कुड नॉट थ्रो द hoopla ring around the toy. The answer is the children could not throw the hoopla rings around the toys. Second, an unripe mango tastes sour. The answer is unripe mangoes taste sour. Third, the train has a long coach. The answer is the trains have long coaches. Fourth, the coach gave an instruction to the player. The answer is the coach gave an instruction to the players. Fifth, the sun hid behind the cloud. The answer is the sun hid behind the clouds. Sixth, the mosquito bit the buffalo. The answer is the mosquitoes bit the buffaloes. Seventh, the horror story had a ghost and a frightened man. The answer is the horror stories had ghosts, ghosts, and frightened men, men. Eighth, my cousin and I are making a sandwich for breakfast. The answer is my cousins and I are making sandwiches for breakfast. Now let's begin exercise C. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined nouns into their singular form. Make other necessary changes. जिन शब्दों पर यानी जिन वर्ड्स पर अंडरलाइन की हुई है उन्हें सिंगुलर फॉर्म में चेंज करके दोबारा लिखिए और अगर कुछ और चेंजेस भी हैं तो उन्हें भी करिए. फर्स्ट, the birds in the sky can be seen from the ground. The answer is the bird in the sky can be seen from the ground. Second, the plates, cups and saucers on the shelf are broken. The plate, cup and saucer on the shelf are broken. Third, The boys fell off their
bicycles.
The boy fell off his
Bicycle.
fourth. The teachers were happy to see the students score good marks. The answer is the teacher was happy to see the student score good marks. Fifth, the singers sang lively songs for the audience. The answer is the singer sang a lively song for the audience. Sixth, I saw snakes, giraffes, and bears in the forest. The answer is I saw a snake, a giraffe, and a bear in the forest. Seventh, the children drew boats, mountains, and flowers on a sheet of paper. The answer is the child drew a boat, a mountain, and a flower on a sheet of paper. Eighth, these watches show the wrong time. The answer is this watch shows the wrong time.